pretty close.
Yeah. It's just over there, actually. So you will actually be approaching it on the same road then, won't you?
Turn left at the traffic light, then enter the roundabout.
I think when we came from the ferry, we came from that way, didn't we? From over there.
Could be. Or down that way.
Yeah, right.
Up.
Yeah. Came along this road somewhere.
A13.
Hmm. It's not far off this main road anyway, is it? Yep, green.
The roundabout.
Yeah.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to North Palmerstraat.
Oh, gone wrong. You've gone wrong.
Yeah, I've gone wrong, so I'll have to go on shit.
Turn
Go
left
there,
onto
come back.
Oostpoortweg, then enter the roundabout.
Didn't you go round there?
Just watch behind that way.
Hey, oh yeah. Alright. There's something coming. Yeah, you're alright. You can get round. Yeah, you don't want to come into IKEA. You do that.
At the roundabout, take the first exit to North Palmerstraat.
That was easy. Made a mistake there, didn't you?
Yeah, I didn't make a mistake initially when
No, no. It's got the roundabout written on the road as well, hasn't it? Never mind.
not far now.
Watch out for the bikes.
Eek, eek. You won't hear the ding dings until they're right on top of you.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Korftlaan.
Now, this bit, Julie's going to have to check because it narrows but is two-way.
Yeah, it's alright. Oh, I've forgotten about that bit. Very narrow, isn't it?
Turn right onto Korftlaan.
Watch for the bikes.
Turn right. Now down Suicide Alley, where the bikes come from anywhere.
Yeah, because this is like a...
In a quarter of a mile, arrive at DelftseHout on the left.
It's like a bit of a park, isn't it? There is a park. No. That's that city farm thing.
This is where I get didn't
or
even
2
look, you
o'clock.
just...
There's none in that bit this time.
Oh. Welcome to DelftseHout.
We've got a nice sunny pitch, if the sun comes out. 138.
I thought we were 136.
Oh, we were last time.
Where's... Oh, it's a bit further up, is it?
It's there.
Where's 136? Oh,
There.
it's a couple up.
Yeah. She gave me a map of, I didn't get that one before. I said, and the vets is on there. I said, which is the best way to get to the vets on the bike? She just showed me.
Do you have a code or...
No, it goes by your licence plate. Unless it's late at night.
Water. Is that British? Yeah, British.
Arriving
Yeah,
at
British down here,
DelftseHout on the left.
Brit. Yeah, UK. Deutsche. Neddies.
Brit. There.
Brit, yeah. Deutsche. Oh, it's like an AS thingy bike. Deutsche. Netherlands. That looks like a Brit there. Yeah. So we should be next to this camper van then. Yeah.
3/8.
Yeah, we're in this one here. Brit there. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. We're in Delft, it's our last day. We'll be leaving tomorrow, and Dave's just going to give you a quick show through of the site.
We walked into Delft and round Delft today, and there's one poor Toby boy, tired, looking for a kip. Got your Tobes. Toby, say hello. Oh. So as you can see, there is the DelftseHout sign, which you'll see as you come into the site, and where the ice cream sign is reception and a small shop. So as you can see, we've got ice creams, sweeties for the kids, and essentials like mushrooms, potatoes, yogurts, cheese, ham, yeah, and milk, pasta, all types of soup, hot noodles, knacks, hot dogs, beer, cold drinks. Yeah, good selection. Thetford chemicals, wine. Yeah, good selection, especially if you've forgotten something. In the morning you get all the rolls and such, and a small coffee bar. Biscuits, sweets. Yeah, so that is the reception. There's where you book in. Back out now. The barriers are number plate recognition systems, so if you've booked in, and it will read your number plate and allow you in if you're a bona fide customer. Just there are bikes for hire. Yep. I think there are some electric bikes and normal pedal bikes, both for ladies and men. Just there is the brasserie, or I think it's more of a snack bar. Scooters that can be hired for the children. And these chalet homes, some nice golf ball type chalets there. As they're occupied, I shan't go down. Yeah, so that is the brasserie. So there is additional parking, and also there is electric vehicle charging as well, as you can see there with that Audi. I think it's an Audi. But yeah, you've got 2 lots of vehicle charging. Yeah, there. Yeah, and another one there. So you can get four electric charged vehicles on these. This is the long stay motorhome park, which you can see there. That's the long stay. This is the new motorhome service point, which has 2 large grates and a small one to catch anything that runs down, and it's sloped both ways, so it slopes that way and that way. Water, drinkable water, and your cassette toilet servicing point as well for your chemical disposal. Yeah, quite a nice area. I'm looking down there now. That's nicknamed Motorhome Alley, just down there. Yeah. So, for Phil and Juliet, I'll show you some of the caravan pictures. Now normally you park with your door outwards, so you've got your hedge there, and you park your caravan with the door outwards, and you can fit your awning or canopy or whatever on them. So you normally get about 3. You'll see that the pitches come numbered, and they come with the CE17 and a TV. There is really good internet reception off our motorhome, which I'll put a screenshot of what we got. But yeah, it's good. So you get a very reasonable size pitch on these. Yeah. And there are quite a few individual sites, areas around. There's some more bungalows type things. So there is long-term motorhome stay. Yeah. And then you get some bungalows, little chalets. So as you can see there, some more pitches, some tented areas. Yeah. And then this is the back of the toilet block. With table tennis. 2 table tennis tables for the youngsters, and a children's play area, and swimming pool. Yeah. Toddler's pool and the main swimming pool. Yeah. See that? 0.3 metres in depth, that one. That'd be nice for Juliet. She likes to swim, doesn't she? Yeah, really nice here. See you in a minute. So, this is the rear side of the toilet blocks. Family rooms, ladies this side, hand washing facilities, men's toilets and ladies toilets, again children and disabled.
Okay.
And dishwashing facilities. As clean as a whistle, this place. Absolutely gorgeous. Sanitisation still being used, and washing facilities outside for your dishes as well. Yeah, see you in a bit. So we're now in Motorhome Alley as it's known. So there we are. There's another British van, the German van next to us, and there's our motorhome. Yeah. As you can see there, with the self-levelling on, it's off the floor. It's absolutely brilliant. Level is a level thing.
Oh, honey, you're home. Honey, you're home.
Yeah.
Teasing the dog.
Teasing the dog, alright. As you can see there, 2 bikes stored nicely in the motorhome. Yeah. And in the, as I say, in the red container, let's just see if I can put the light on. In there is Toby's Trixie trailer underneath the bank plate, bake plate, platen. Yeah, our teppanyaki went south, so we purchased that, and it's about half the price. Yeah, because it hasn't got teppanyaki on it. So, see you in a bit. So I hope you liked the little video about DelftseHout.
Yeah.
And
yeah, we enjoyed it there, didn't we?
yeah, we enjoyed it.
It's quite a good place to go to see a lot of Holland if you haven't been before. Amsterdam, Den Haag, Rotterdam. They're all quite close, so yeah, it's quite nice.
We did a walk into DelftseHout.
Delft.
Into Delft from DelftseHout,
yeah.
which is about what, 10 minutes?
Yeah,
15 minutes.
Well, the dog was a bit slow,
Well,
wasn't he?
yeah, but if we were walking without Toby
Toby
sniffing all the time,
yeah,
then
and that was lovely, wasn't
yeah.
it? Lovely little town and that.
The square and everything.
The market square, yeah.
Yeah, with the church and everything, and all
Yeah,
the cafes around the edge.
It was lovely.
But
you forgot the camera, didn't you?
well,
but yeah, we've got some pictures, but
so,
yeah, it was
so,
really nice. So one of the reasons we went back to that campsite was to get, we found that there was a vet's nearby the campsite, so we wanted to get Toby his tapeworm tablet before we tablets before we came home. So that's why we went back there again, and it's near the port, so you know, don't have to.
How much was that?
How much was what? The vets?
Yeah.
About €50, I think.
About €50,
About 50
and
euros.
she actually gave him a good check over.
Yeah, she did.
That's
actually.
more than other vets did.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you want to know which vets and everything we use, just leave a comment and then we'll update you with the information. But we cycled to the vets, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah. We got back from Franeker, drove from like northern Holland down into the south west bit of Holland.
Pitched up. Got the bikes out.
Built the bikes, built the Trixie trailer, and off we jolly well pedalled.
I'd asked at the reception if they could show us on the map where it was. We said that we was going on the bike, so she drew the route out for us, and we found it pretty easy, didn't we?
Yeah.
How long did that take us biking? About 10 minutes, would you say?
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes on the bike probably. You could walk it as well, probably be about
And the
half an
majority
hour.
of it was cycle paths. So
Yeah, yeah. So we wouldn't have got anywhere near it in the motorhome, would we?
Probably not. No.
because the streets are sort of
Yeah.
quite narrow. So and everything. So yes, they were very good in there as well. Yeah, nice vets. Had a coffee machine in there.
Yeah, they offered
Yeah.
her a coffee. She doesn't drink it, but she never thought to come out and ask me.
No, but yeah. So all in all, it was a nice site, and I think we'd definitely stay again, wouldn't we? For maybe for the vets, and depending on what ferry we did.
As I said on the video, there's a long stay for long term motorhomes, and then
Motorhome Alley.
the Motorhome Alley is as you said, it's basically a lot of ones that are there for two nights.
Yeah. But it was fine though. I mean, it was a nice site and everything, and in a nice area. So and it served us well with the vets and everything, didn't it?
Yeah. It's an ideal starting point or finishing point, or both.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
It's good. So
we'd recommend
hope
that.
you enjoyed this first part. There's a few more to come, and we'll catch you soon.